Today we talk about how can you select who can likes you on your Hang app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. So you click here on this sign down here. And you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all the people likes you here in this list. So here can you find them here? Like you see, I have no likes here, but if you have it, can you find it here in this list on your Hink app? So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking